So this is the kind of price chart that SGX has, and SGX also has one of the most high average traded value stock. It's one of the highest average value traded stocks in Singapore. However, if you take a look at the chart, from the angle of a longer term swing trader like myself, okay, this is a very, very terrible chart to look at or to analyze or to look for trading setup. What is the reason? Very simply, based on those three key techniques that I look at: horizontal line, horizontal support resistance reversal, as well as trend line, trend channels, you basically can't identify any very clear-cut ones in this particular chart itself, okay? And as such, from the angle of a longer-term swing trader, okay, this is actually a dumper, the kind of chart that I would not bother to draw any lines or to look for trading ideas in, okay? However, that is not to say that this chart or this kind of stock is not suitable for all kinds of traders, okay? Because if you take a closer look, you will realize that this stock is actually a pretty volatile stock, especially when you look from the angle of a shorter term trading perspective. Okay, there are many occasions where the stock can run very quickly within 1 week, 2 weeks kind of time frame. So if you actually go down to 4 hour or maybe even 1 hour chart for this particular stock, you might realize the trending characteristic might look very nice, and it's much more easier to identify horizontal support resistance, trend line, trend channels, and support resistance reversal phenomenon. Okay, so as such, this could be a stock that is good for short-term swing trading or maybe intraday trading. However, it is just not suitable for the kind of trader I am, which is longer-term swing trading.